Hello, I welcome you to my channel. If you are new here, try to subscribe to the channel and do share the videos. And today our topic is how to use less data on Facebook. And before we begin the process, let's open our Facebook application. Now that our application has opened, let's begin the process. First, click on watch. Next, click on your watch. And next, click on cellular data use. And this is where we have to make our changes in order to use less data on Facebook. Let's begin from video quality. It is set to optimize for now. Let's change it from optimize to data saver. And as you can see, use up to 40% less data by reducing video quality. Let's come to autoplay. It is set to mobile data and Wi-Fi for now. Change it from there to never autoplay videos. Click on never autoplay videos. Let's come to video and photo settings. Click on reduce 3D photo motion. And guys, this is all what you have to do in order to use less data on Facebook. I thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the videos. See you next time. Bye.